Imagine a future where you're not carrying cash anymore, where our best financial advisor is our artificial intelligence in our phone.
It will be a full rewrite of the way financial transactions work.
Just imagine the repositioning of the financial services sector.
I'm Brett King, the CEO and founder of Moven. The Moven was designed sort of like a Fitbit for your wallet, the world's first downloadable mobile bank account. You can see your balance at the top and you can see how much I've spent so far this month. And the app will turn green if you're spending below your typical spending, or it'll turn a bright red if you're spending above. If you're, say, $200 below your typical spend, you'll get a message on your watch going, hey, that's really good. Why don't you lock that money away and save it today? As part of the experience, you'll get a receipt in real time. While you're in the restaurant, I've spent $400 on eating out already this month? And that's what we think a smart bank account is. You'd have this sort of money coach or financial coach embedded in your life. Just by glancing at the app, you get a feel for whether your spending's starting to get out of control. The birth of that idea was, how's a millennial going to get access to banking? What the internet has taught us is we can have access to information, whenever we need it. Bank says, oh, no, I'm sorry, you can't do that. You have to come down the branch and sign a piece of paper. A millennial's like, what are you talking about? What do you mean?
Well, the leading edge banks, the more thoughtful banks, are absolutely going to embrace and incorporate new innovative thinking into their offerings.
We now know that an entire generation of kids trust an algorithm more than they trust a human being to manage their money.
We're going to learn pretty quickly over the next 5 to 10 years that the ability for these algorithms to synthesize data will frankly be much more superior than a human.
You can also look at just the sheer need for physical money. We evolved from donkeys and bags of wheat as currency to paper currency. Now we are a couple years away from no longer needing physical currency.
Moven is changing the way people will think about their bank account. Cash and plastic are essentially dumb, whereas electronic payments are getting smarter every day.
We've seen some very rapid changes already in an industry that's not known for wholesale change. So customers are genuinely receiving much better service today as a result of these technological innovations, truly rewriting the experience that customers are having with banks.